Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tiramisu shake. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring you have everything ready before you begin. Next, prepare your coffee and ladyfingers according to the recipe instructions. Then, blend the main ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Finally, assemble your shake in a glass and add the finishing touches for a delightful treat. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with about 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of cold brewed coffee or espresso. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese for that authentic richness and 2 ladyfinger cookies. Lastly, have some cocoa powder ready for dusting. Now it's time to blend your shake to creamy perfection. Add the vanilla ice cream, milk, and espresso to your blender. Next, carefully add the 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese. Crumble in the ladyfinger cookies, then blend all ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and thick. You can adjust the consistency by adding a little more milk if needed. The final step is to assemble and enjoy your tiramisu shake. Pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Finish by dusting a light layer of cocoa powder over the whipped cream. You can also add an extra ladyfinger for garnish. Serve your delicious shake immediately and savor every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.